made up onto the roof here, so let's get cracking.
Another day, another BalcoDeck.
We're about to start putting in the decking boards, ready for the actual decking to sit on top, and that's the next phase. We finished the foundation, now we're just about ready to start laying the decking down.
So far we done the foundation, we put decking on, handrail, and the next step is the glass.
Hi Vish, what's your question?
So, why is Pavel putting mastic on the glass?
No problem. So the hybrid system needs to work as one. So we use a high quality neutral silicon to bond the bottom rail to the glass and then the glass into the handrail.
We finished BalcoDeck, now I show you.